On 11th of December, Prime Minister Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji will be arriving in Goa for the closing ceremony of World Ayurveda Congress. He will be probably arriving. The arrival time is not finalized as yet. However, for the convenience of public, we have done certain diversions in and around the venue area and in Panjim, basically. So the road from Shama Prasad Stadium till the function place, that is at SAG ground, will be closed for vehicular movement. Prior to the arrival of the
PM.
Prime Minister. For the traffic that is coming from Panjim and which intends to proceed towards Miramar and Taligaon and other places will be diverted at Ferry Point in Panjim and at the Anand Bandorkar statue. Similarly, the traffic that is intending to proceed from Karanzalem, basically from Aiva Karanzalem side, will be diverted via the old Karanzalem road, interior road, and from other circle they will be diverted according to their destination. So it is my request to the people to plan your journey accordingly in view of these arrangements. And if you have any issues regarding the routes or any diversion, you can contact us on our phone number or mobile number.